Oh, you might know this one, maybe. I was like, really needs to burp all the way through that. It was really good. You know when like you need to burp but you swallow it instead and then it just was really uncomfortable? The amount of times I have to do that on stage is like ridiculous. Yeah, you guys as well. So it's not like I'm like singing on stage and then I'm like I think I got rid of it. It's a really weird feeling, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's gone. Because you can swallow it, but it always comes back. That's what I... Anyway, I'll stop talking about it.
As long as it's that.
Sounded a bit weird there. Not intentional. Quick to sing, because I was a Royal Have a Laughing Fit. I did a gig in Norway a couple of weeks ago, and I couldn't stop laughing. And actually it wasn't funny because it ruined it. I need to not get into a laughing fit, okay? No, I can't sing that at the same time. What can I think about?
Yeah, Bolton! Think about Bolton! Bolton! Think about Bolton!
Okay, right, I think it's gone, Don't make me laugh, don't laugh.
Your furniture. That's what I was going to say.
We don't have to worry about nothing, 'cause we got the fire, and we're burning one hell of something. They're gonna see us from outer space, light up, like we're the stars of the human race, with the lights lighting down. They don't know what they heard, so the night being down, giving love to the world. We'll be raising our hands, shining up to the sky, 'cause we got a fire, fire, fire. Yeah, we got a fire, fire, fire. And we're gonna let it burn, 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 burn. We're gonna let it burn, 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 burn. We're gonna let it burn, 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 burn. We don't wanna leave, no. We just wanna be right now, right? And what we see is everybody's on the floor acting crazy, getting right onto the lights. Music's on, I'm waking up. We start the fire and we burn it up, and it's over now. We got the love, there's no sleeping now. And the lights lighting down, they don't know what they heard. So the match burning down, giving love to the world. We'll be raising our hands, shining up to the sky, 'cause we got a fire, fire, fire. Yeah, we got the fire, fire, fire. And we're gonna let it burn, 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 burn. We're gonna let it burn, 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 burn. We're gonna let it burn, burn, burn. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When the lights light down, they don't know what they heard. So the night right down, giving love to the world, and we're gonna let it burn. We're gonna let it burn. We can light it up, 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 so they can burn it out, out, out. We can light it up, 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 so they can put it out, out, out. We can light it up, 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 so they can put it out, out, out. We can light it up, 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 up. With the lights lighting down, they don't know what they heard. So the match burning down, giving love to the world. We'll be raising our hands, shining up to the sky, 'cause we got the fire.